so strong through this area, and now they're starting to push them into other areas of this little shopping center here, shops, cafes, you know, really sort of everyday stuff. LA has these all over the place. It's kind of a single unit, but there's multiple all throughout here, and you can see the fire is completely all through the apartment, the condo. That is somebody's home. Somebody used to live there. Somebody pays rent there. Somebody loves that place and had all their belongings in there. And as you can see, this building is getting absolutely, completely ripped apart right now. There's lots of embers in the air, flames all the way from the street all the way up into the building, taking out the top floor, the bottom floors. This building is now a complete loss, and my heart goes out to whoever once called this beautiful place home. All right, back out here live. We've been watching this house come down for about the last hour or so. It's not just the houses, but it's the cars as well. You got a Range Rover here. You can't really see it, but the front is just completely burned out. There's a lot of chemicals. There's lots of different things within the homes. We've been hearing pops at times, and all those pops are different things exploding, releasing just different items that might be in the home, anywhere from shampoo to maybe items within the fridge, right? That's all in there for all those houses, and that is what is burning right now. The wind continues to whip. It continues to be very strong. Really, this fire started at the house on the corner, and then the wind continued to push this fire. Wind driven, just going house to house like a domino effect, and it is just a terrible situation out here. This will be remembered as one of just the absolute worst fires in the history of Southern California. This will be remembered for a long time. I've been working in Southern California for a long time. I've never seen anything like this. This is just a terrible situation. My heart goes out to everyone affected by this.
Alex, in those neighborhoods, all we've seen in your live shots are fire crews. Does it look like everyone took the message and got out? Everyone just evacuated and left their homes?
It does seem like everyone got out. I think people really did a great job on heeding the warnings. We have seen a few people come by on bikes. We are, however, in an area where you do need to be, you either need to live here or you need to be some sort of emergency personnel or a member of the media to kind of get past those gates. So they're not really letting anybody back into this area right now. We got to see a few people on bikes over there, but yeah, it's pretty barren out here. Mostly just those fire crews and some members of the media. But I think people did a really great job on evacuating.
On that street where you're on, Alex, are there any homes that are okay, that have survived? Because I know how it can jump sometimes, but or did it just sweep through and wipe them out? Yeah,
absolutely. You know, we're gonna turn around for you, and we have some houses that are completely fine. So it's really just that side of the street. We're gonna come up here. We've still got some spots with some Christmas decorations up, but on the corner here, that house, as you can see, is fine. So it just depends on where it sparks, and then it keeps heading down the street. So this side of the street, completely devastated. The other side is doing just fine. This is the first house we came across earlier at about 2:30 this afternoon, and really you can see the smoke and all the wind really driving this fire still. This was once a really nice house here in the Pacific Palisades, and unfortunately it is no more.